Hello friends, my name is Dr. Gupta and I'm an orthodontist and dentofacial orthopedic with 20 years plus of experience, and I deal with developmental part of the orthodontics. We see that the child is growing well in the orofacial region. Now, a very important factor is the tongue tie, which is the connection between the tongue and the lower jaw from inside. Normally it is there in every individual, but if this connection is big and accentuated, then there is reduced mobility in the tongue, and the strong muscle of the tongue, it can actually potentially grow the forward growth of the lower jaw. It can also pull back the lower jaw when the child sleeps, and it can lead to breathing issues. It can have a narrow airway, and therefore relieving this tongue tie is very important as soon as possible, and an orthodontist can help you in this.